Us now, following numerous delays to the trial within a trial, which was meant to determine whether the Bloemfontein High Court has jurisdiction to hear the case against Moradi Cholota. Proceedings are expected to continue this morning. Judge Phillip Loubser will rule on whether advocate Laurance Hodes, who represents former Free State Premier Ace Magashule and businessman Edwin Sodi, can cross-examine Hawks investigating officer Benjamin Calitz. Now, Calitz is the officer who charged Cholota in relation to the Free State's asbestos corruption matter. Juniour Khumalo is in Bloemfontein and joins us now. Then, look, Juniour, as this is set to continue then, because it has had quite a number of delays, it's about the cross-examination here of one person versus the other, plus the extradition, before we even get to the main case itself. So a lot of pre-trial proceedings still continuing.
Indeed, Arabile, we do expect that a lot of pre-trial proceedings are going to continue. As you may remember, that this case was actually set down, the trial was actually set down from the 15th of April until the 25th of June. So we've spent the better part of the past few weeks basically dealing with this trial within a trial, just to basically find out whether this court does have jurisdiction to hear the case against Ms. Cholota. But also during that first week, when this trial within a trial was getting underway, there was that request by another accused, which is Tabani Zungulu, who also said that this court does not have jurisdiction to hear his matter as well, because he says that he was working mostly in Joburg as well as in KZN. So this Bloemfontein High Court does not have jurisdiction to hear the case against him. So once this court finishes with the trial within a trial on the Cholota matter, there is still that also pending issue. But yeah, just to get some sense of whether we are going to proceed with today's proceedings, we do have the NPA national spokesperson joining us today. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Just to find out from you, is the witness ready to continue today?
The indications from the prosecution team when I spoke to them yesterday was that the witness will be available so that the proceedings can resume, and all the issues that are outstanding in respect of the trial within a trial will be ventilated.
Yeah. The state had a strong objection to Mr. Magashule's legal representative cross-examining Calitz. Just give us a brief understanding on why you are objecting to Mr. Hodes basically cross-examining Calitz.
In as much as he is trying to safeguard the interests of his client, but we don't think that it is relevant the issues that he wants to raise with the witness, because the trial within a trial relates to an extradition aspect of the trial, which the Cholota team is saying this court, because of the allegations they are making against our investigation team, doesn't have jurisdiction. It does not have a bearing on Mr. Magashule's conduct of his defense in respect of the charges that he is facing. That's why we take the view that it is not necessary for him to be given an opportunity to cross-examine the witness, unless, of course, there is evidence that implicates him insofar as what Ms. Cholota would have said to the investigating officer. And that bridge has not been crossed yet. I don't know why they are too anticipatory or anxious in their approach.
And just lastly, there has been these delays. The first witness falling sick, the state also indicating that the second witness, who's also supposed to testify, is not available until sometime next week. The accused have tried to use these delays, saying that they are unnecessary and unreasonable delays, so this matter should be thrown out of court. Is that a reasonable understanding of what's going on?
An unreasonable delay, you use that in circumstances where it is not explained why a witness is not available at that particular moment, where it has a negative impact on the resumption or continuation of a trial. Currently, we've got a witness that is in the witness box. Proceedings are proceeding uninterrupted. It was an unfortunate incident or situation that he fell sick and the proceedings had to be adjourned. That witness there's an indication he will be available next week. That means we'll resume with proceedings. The next 2 days, we will be proceeding with the witness under cross-examination, and there will be re-examination of the witness. So there will be no time wasted. Let's just focus on the proceedings before us and forget the other issues that have no bearing on the continuation of the case, because we've got a witness in the witness stand.
Okay, thank you so much, Mthunzi. That is the NPA national spokesperson, basically saying that the delays that have happened are not undue delays and they don't negatively affect the accused. But we are yet to see this asbestos trial formally getting underway. For now, we are still dealing with those trial within a trial, Arabile.
Juniour, thank you so much for bringing us this interview.